Hey guys, in this video I will show you two ways how you can fix easy anti-cheat is not installed in Fortnite. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up Epic Games, go to library, then you need to press on the Fortnite three dots here, then you need to press on manage, then select open install location here, and then on this window you need to look for Fortnite game, binaries, Win64, and then you should find easy anti-cheat, right? And then you just need to find easy anti-cheat setup, double click on it, then it will open up here. And then what you need to do here, either you need to find game 217 or Fortnite, and then you just need to press repair service, right? And up to that, restart Epic Games and look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, another thing that you can do here, again, you need to go to library, Fortnite game here, manage, open the install location, again, Fortnite game, binaries, Win64, easy anti-cheat, and then you should see easy anti-cheat iOS setup. So what you need to do here is to right click on it, then you need to look for copy shortcut, show more options, and create a shortcut. If a shortcut is created, you're good to go, but if it do not, as you can see here, Windows can't create shortcut here. Do you want shortcut to be placed on desktop? Press yes. And then what you need to do here is to go to your desktop, find the easy anti-cheat, drag it to the folder, and then you just need to right click on the folder, then go to properties, shortcut, and then here on target location, what you need to do here is to simply, on target, you just need to click on it, then press space, and then you just need to press repair, right repair, apply, okay, run easy anti-cheat shortcut here. You should get, do you want to allow this app to make changes? Press yes. Then you should get a little blank screen that will go away, and after that just restart the Epic Games and Fortnite, and the game should work, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.